Class 9th, chapter 1st, example number 16. NCERT की बुक से है example number 16, chapter 1st, example number 16, class 9. The question given is simplify the following expression. Simplify the following expression. We have to simplify this equation. This is 5 plus root 7 and this is 2 plus root 5. When we are multiplying this to both terms, what is happening over here? Let's see. 5 into 10 equals to 10. 5 into root 5 equals to 5 root 5. Clear? See it again. 5 into 10 equals to 10 and 5 into root 5 equals to 5 root 5. Root 7 into 2 is root 2 root 7 and root 7 into root 5 plus root 35. 7 into 5 equals to root 35. Let's see it again. 5 into 2 equals to 10. 5 into root 5 equals to 5 root 5. 2 into root 7 equals to 2 root 7. And root 7 into root 5 equals to plus root 35. Let us move to example number 2. This is, what is this? 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. We are having a formula. A plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. Why we are applying this formula? Let's see over here. 5 a equals to 5 and b can represent b as root 5. This is a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. This is 5 square minus root 5 square. This is 5 square is 25 and root 5 square is 5. What is happening over here? 25 minus 5 equals to 20. Clear? Let us move to the third example. What is this? Root 3 plus root 7 whole square. Here we can assume a as root 3 and root 7 is as b and root 7 as b. Clear? So what we can write it is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square, what is that? Root 3 square plus 2 into root 3 into root 7 plus root 7 whole square. Root 3 square is 3 and root 7 square is 7. 2 root 21. Root 3 into root 7 equals to 21. What is that? 10 plus 2 root 21 will be the answer. See it again. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A is root 3 is whole square plus 2ab 2 into root 3 into root 7 plus root 7 whole square. What is that? Root 3 square is 3 and root 7 square is 7 plus root 2 root 21. That is 10 plus 2 root 21. Let us move to the fourth and the last example of this question number, example number 16. A minus b into a plus b. What is that? A square minus b square. Root 11 ka whole square minus root 7 whole square. 11 minus 7 equals to 4 will be the answer. We have done this formula here also in example number 2. Same we are applying here also in question in 16 part 4. Root a square minus b square. Root 11 square is 11 minus root 7 square is 7. When we subtract 7 from 11, we get, what is the answer? Over here, 4. Let us move to example number 17. From here, it is start the important part of this chapter. Rationalize. The rule of math, you should keep, remember, a denominator, in denominator, root should not be there. You keep it in your mind. If denominator is there, then what you have to do? You have to rationalize it. How you rationalize? You can look over here. Root 2, you multiply the denominator and the numerator by root 2. Root 2 upon 2 is the answer. What you are doing? Root 2, you are multiplying root 2 in the numerator and in the denominator. Here the rationalization is done. Here in the denominator there is no root over here. Now move to example number 18. 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Again there is a root 3. then what does it mean? What I have said it earlier, that root should not be there in the denominator. For rationalizing it, you have to change the sign. 2 plus root 3, you do 2 minus root 3 in the numerator and the same in denominator. That is called the conjugate. 2 minus root 3 is the conjugate of 2 plus root 3. 2 minus root 3, you can apply a formula here. A plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. 2 square minus root 3 whole square. What is it? 2 minus root 3 upon 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Then what will be the answer? 2 minus root 3. I will tell you one trick also with it. If you just see 2 plus root 3 and you just want to check the answer, what you do? 2 plus root 3. You see the a square, 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3. If the difference is 1, then you can write the direct conjugate. 2 plus root 3, the difference of square, 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3, the difference is 1. Then you can directly write the conjugate of it. This is for the competitive point of view, not for this academic point of view. For academic, you have to multiply with its conjugate in the numerator and in denominator also. In this way, you solve it. Let us move to example number 19. Here, rationalize the denominator. Again, 5 root 3 minus root 5. What we will do here? Root 3 minus root 5 conjugate, root 3 plus root 5 will be the conjugate of it. Root 3 plus root 5. 5 into root 3 plus root 5 and root 3 ka whole square. A plus, again formula, a minus b into a plus b. What is that? A square minus b square minus root 5 square. So 5 into root 3 plus root 5. 3 minus 5, that is minus 5 by 2 into root 3 plus root 5 will be the answer of this question. Clear? Again, what we are doing, I just repeat it again. Root 3 minus root 5, you multiply it with your conjugate. Root 3 minus root 5 conjugate is root 3 plus root 5 in the numerator and multiply it in the denominator. Root 3 plus root 5 is equals to 5 into root 3 plus root 5 and root 3 ka square. What is the root square of root 3 is 3 and the square of root 5 is 5. 5 minus 5 by 2 into root 3 plus root 5. Example number 20. Rationalize the denominator of 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. Let us move to the trick. 7 square is 49 and 3 root 2 square is 1. The conjugate, you can just directly write the conjugate. What is that? 7 minus root 3 root 2. Again, I just repeated the trick again. 7 square is 49 and 3 root 2 square. 3 root 2 square, 3 square is 9. 9 to the 18. So this will not be applicable in this. 3 root 2. 3 root 2, 3 is a 9, not applicable. So let us do it with the method only. 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. You multiply it with conjugate 7 minus 3 root 2 into 7 minus 3 root 2. 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 7 square is 49 and minus 3 root 2 square. A plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. 7 minus 3 root 2 into 49 minus 9 into 2. 3 square is 9 and root 2 square is 2. 7 minus 3 root 2. And this is 49 minus 18. 49 minus 18 equals to 31. The answer is 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 31 will be the answer. Again, you multiply it by conjugate. 7 minus 3 root 2, this apply the formula a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is 49 minus 3 root 2 square, 9 into 2 equals to 18. 49 minus 18 equals to 9 minus 8, 1 and 4, 1, 3. Clear? The answer will be 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 31. Get it?